If we open WhatsApp's official website, so simple, secure, reliable messaging with WhatsApp. You will get fast, simple, secure messaging and calling for free, available on phones all over the world. It's the weekend. WhatsApp Businesses app. WhatsApp Business is free to download app that was built with the small business over owner in the mind. We create a catalog to showcase your products and services. Connect with your customers easily by using tools to automate, sort, and quickly respond to messages. WhatsApp can also help medium and large businesses provide customer support and deliver important notification to customers. Learn about WhatsApp Business IP catalog. Sandra's cakes. We offer freshly baked breads, cakes, pastries, and other desserts. Custom cakes for all occasions. Carrot cake with white chocolate, orange cream, cheese, $3. Hello, this is the emoji end-to-end encryption security by default. Some of your most personal moments are shared on WhatsApp, which is why we built end-to-end encryption into the latest version of our app. When end-to-end encrypted message, your messages and calls are secured, so only you and the people you are communicating with can read or listen to them, and nobody in between, not even WhatsApp. Explore features. The WhatsApp features security, download WhatsApp web, business, privacy, company, about, careers, brand centers, get in touch, blog, WhatsApp stories, download, Mac, Android, iPhone, help center, Twitter, Facebook, coronavirus. WhatsApp is available on Play Store and also on Apple Store. So you can, if you are a user of Apple, you can also have it, and if you are a user of Android, you can also use it. People ask the following question: how do I install WhatsApp? How install GB WhatsApp? How can I download WhatsApp without app? Can WhatsApp call be traced? There are several similar apps to WhatsApp, which is Telegram, Instagram, Google Play, Gmail, TikTok, Discord, ShareIt, Android. So in WhatsApp Messenger, you can see that you can download it and you can also use it on web by using WhatsApp web, WhatsApp Business app, features, security, help center. WhatsApp Messenger app on Google Play. Also, about is that WhatsApp Messenger, or simply WhatsApp, is an internationally available American freeware crossware platform. Thank you.